Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply remove WhatsApp account on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for users and accounts. There's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for your WhatsApp account. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on remove account. Then follow the prompt and allow the setup to complete. And your WhatsApp account will be completely deleted and removed from the particular phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.